In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Zoom. If you've ever wanted to connect with friends, family, or colleagues through video, then Zoom is a great tool for you. Today, we'll walk through the straightforward process of setting up your very own Zoom account, and it should only take about 5 minutes. So let's dive in and get started. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Zoom website at zoom.us. Take a moment to check that you're in the right place by ensuring that the site looks familiar and trustworthy. The homepage is the gateway to all things Zoom and where you'll begin your journey. Next, look for the button that says Sign Up, It's Free, and give it a click. This button is usually prominent on their homepage, as Zoom wants to make the sign-up process as accessible and easy as possible. By signing up for free, you can get a taste of what Zoom has to offer without any initial commitment. Now, you have a couple of different options to choose from to create your account. You can either enter your email address directly, which will start the traditional sign-up process, or alternatively, you can choose a quicker method by signing up using an existing Google, Apple, or Facebook account. Pick whichever option feels most convenient and secure for you. If you decide to go with the email route, it's important to quickly hop over to your email inbox. Zoom will send you an email verification link, which you need to open and click on. This is an essential step to verify that you indeed own the email address and helps keep your account secure. Check your junk or spam folder just in case it slips in there accidentally. Once you've verified your email, it's time to fill in a few more details. Zoom will prompt you to enter your first and last name. After you've entered your name, you'll need to create a password. Choose something strong and unique, something that you'll remember but isn't easy for others to guess. This will help protect your meetings and personal information. After entering your name and creating a secure password, press Continue. And that's it. Your Zoom account is now ready to use. Whether you're looking to host meetings, join webinars, or simply catch up with friends and family, you now have access to one of the most popular video conferencing tools in the world. Congratulations on setting up your Zoom account. Explore the platform, get comfortable, and start connecting. If you have any other questions or need further guidance on using Zoom's features, feel free to check out more of our tutorials. Thanks for tuning in, and happy Zooming.